I am Sanchita Dutta. I am science teacher in this school. I take from class 6 to class 10, one junior class also I take, and all the three subjects I teach, that is physics, chemistry, bio. There are other science teachers who also assisting me. Both of us, we work together in a very nice way, and there are generally theory class and practical class, all are taken. Hands-on activities are also shown because that is the inevitable part of the science teaching, and students are also here very good. They are very cooperative with the teachers and they pay very much attention here, and moreover the point is there are generally they do the activity, what are the CBSE board curriculum, the activity should be done along with the science teaching. They do from their own some project work, some activities, and some activities are shown by the teachers, and we try once in a week for the junior classes and twice in a week for the senior classes to take there in the practical classes. And the numerical based questions are done, which is the part of the physics, that is done twice in a day. And particularly separately chemistry, all the reaction based questions, that is done separately. Whatever the parts of science, that is biology, the diagram based question, chemistry, some equation based question, and physics, basically the numerical based question. The routine is so managed that these are done separately for their good performance. And the students are also very much cooperative. They show very much inquisitiveness and they make so many questions. In such, every group is made with the teacher, so that every day after the class, whatever the question pops up in their brain, they make the question either in copy or in WhatsApp group, and we the teacher we at our best we try to answer their question. Now the students come here, generally class 6, they are very junior. It is tried to take them twice in a month or once in a month, but other classes they do their practical twice in a week, and class 9 and class 10 they come here. Generally I try to take them twice in a week to complete their practical syllabus, and then their practical writing copies are collected for giving the marks theory. And generally students get very pleasure here after coming, as science practical is not done in science, then it is basically the knowledge without wisdom. So practical is very much needed, and in this school whatever I face, the practical room is well equipped, and if anything is not there, I get the support of the school, that anybody brings it or I bring it, and then it is kept in the laboratory. And some slides in biology, a lot of permanent slides are there. In chemistry, a lot of chemical, the bottles are also there, and physics also, all the equipments are there. So the students, when come after completing their chapter, when we come to the practical lab, they get very much interest and it becomes their permanent knowledge of science, which will basically make imprint in their brain. They will not forget if they will get their data or their observation or inference in practical lab after doing the practical on their own hands. And they do sometimes group work, or sometimes they take the data from their own. When they have the confusion, I tell them to take their data of their own, and sometimes they do the work in group when group activity is needed. Moreover, which I got attracted, every time the cleaning is going on, it is now also, never before I have seen that 24 hours the staffs are engaged in cleaning the total, it is so hygienic part. Still now I am very much surprised to do, continuously it is done. That is, the total academic area is continuously clean, plus RO water, drinking water. So every time there is the privilege to get the drinking water, and there is total school is under the, that is fire cylinder, that means if any happening goes on, it is totally protected. And moreover the point is there, the lush green meadow where the students play, and particularly in winter the teachers can take the classes in the field, which is basically a part of our child development pedagogy, and it attracts us very much. And when I came here, I was attracted by the systems of management. Every work is done, but it is a very nice way it is done. No hustle bustle is created and no problem is created. It attracted me very much. This way we are doing, and we are trying our best to make the level best of the student.